We all crave it, that perfect escape from the daily grind. That moment when the world fades away and you're enveloped in pure audio bliss. I've spent years chasing this experience, hopping from one pair of headphones to another, always searching for the holy grail of audio quality and comfort. Some came close, tantalizing my ears with promises of sonic perfection, only to disappoint with a clunky fit or subpar noise cancellation. Just when my hope began to dwindle, Bose dropped a bombshell, the QuietComfort Ultra. Could these be the headphones to end my quest? Spoiler alert, they just might be. From the moment I unboxed these sleek sonic wonders, I knew I was in for a treat. The packaging itself exudes an aura of sophistication, hinting at the premium experience that awaits. And believe me, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones do not disappoint. They represent a culmination of years of innovation and a dedication to delivering an unparalleled audio experience. Over the next few sections, we'll delve deep into the heart of what makes these headphones truly special. Get ready to dive into a world where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled comfort and audio fidelity. Whether you're an audiophile, a frequent traveler, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones are here to redefine your sonic journey. So sit back, relax, and let the music take over. Let's cut to the chase. Audio quality. These headphones are designed for discerning listeners. The clarity is astonishing. Every note, every subtle inflection shines through with breathtaking precision. I tested them with a range of genres, from classical symphonies to pulsating EDM tracks. The QuietComfort Ultras handled it all with grace and power. The bass is deep and resonant, but never overpowering. Mids are crisp and clear, vocals soar with lifelike presence. Highs sparkle with detail, adding a sense of airiness to the soundstage. It's like having a front row seat at a live concert. Every instrument perfectly balanced and harmonized. But it's not just about power and clarity. These headphones excel at capturing the emotion in music. Subtle nuances in a vocalist's delivery, the delicate strum of a guitar string, the raw energy of a drum solo. It all comes alive with the QuietComfort Ultras. I found myself rediscovering my favorite tracks, hearing details I never noticed before. It's an immersive, captivating experience that will leave you breathless. We live in a noisy world. Traffic, construction, chatter. These sonic intrusions can easily disrupt our focus and tranquility. That's where the QuietComfort Ultra's noise cancellation comes in. Bose has long been an industry leader in noise cancellation technology, and these headphones take it to a whole new level. Slip them on, and it's like stepping into a soundproof booth. The outside world simply melts away, leaving you alone with your music. I tested them in various environments, a bustling coffee shop, a crowded subway, even on a flight. The result was always the same: blissful, uninterrupted silence. But what's truly remarkable is how natural the noise cancellation feels. There's none of that pressure or ear fatigue you get with some headphones. It's just pure, blissful silence. And if you need to be aware of your surroundings, the transparency mode lets you instantly tune back in with a simple tap. Comfort is key, especially during long listening sessions. Bose understands this, and they've knocked it out of the park with the QuietComfort Ultra's design. These headphones are incredibly comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. The ear cups are generously padded with plush, breathable material. They gently envelop your ears without feeling tight or restrictive. I wore these headphones for hours on end, and I never experienced any discomfort. The headband is equally well designed, distributing weight evenly across the top of your head. It's adjustable, of course, so you can find the perfect fit. And when you're not using them, they fold up neatly for easy storage in the included carrying case. But it's not just about comfort during use. The QuietComfort Ultras are also incredibly lightweight. You'll barely notice you're wearing them even after hours of listening. This makes them ideal for travel, commuting, or just relaxing at home.